currently in London and we're filming a couple of hotels over the next couple of days. And the first night, which is tonight, we're actually staying at the Corinthia. Have I said it right, Tim? Oh, yeah. The Corinthia. When we were thinking about what hotels to do, we were like, yeah, the Corinthia. So here we are. And I must say, it is stunning. The hotel is incredible. Obviously, if you want to see a little bit more of this, you're going to have to go over to Tim's channel because he's going to do like the full shebang over on his channel. But it has been a really, really busy week. Yesterday, we went to Bewilderwood. We went to like a little lantern parade. I wanted to do something really nice for Casper for Halloween, and I felt like we haven't really done much on the build up or anything. I haven't like got any pumpkins, I haven't carved any, I haven't done anything. All we've had is Gabby's doll's house on in the background singing the odd Halloween song. So I felt it was necessary to go somewhere. So we decided to try Bewilderwood, and this is what we got up to. Check it out. Casper? Oh yeah, she said Hazel's Hideaway is where we need to go. That's all right. Hello, Bamps. Oh my God, he's so excited. Wow. Look at this. Magical Bumps. Come on, you got to hold Mummy's hand. Wow. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This lantern parade's going to be over quick at this rate. No, 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 no. No, 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 darling. That is orange, yeah, orange. And red, yeah. And green. I think that's green. Wow, this looks lovely, doesn't it? Go slow, Casper, go slow. Wow. Purple, that is purple. Wow. In Bewilderwood, on one magical night, everyone comes out to play under twinkly lights. Wow. So for the poor person that had to get along with the wee little lamp and put them over the lights. It took him forever. It's nice though, isn't it? It's kind of relaxing.
So when you come to Bewilderwood before, is this normally open or is this just the forest?
I don't remember much about it. I only remember there being a boat. It's a familiar game. It's called Trick or Tweet, where you can dress up from your head to your feet.
So how much does this cost you, Gabby?
This cost, for me, you, Casper and Holly, it was £42.
Do we get a coffee with that? Or we get a free lantern?
Well, we got a lantern, yeah. One leg and two leg.
Two legs.
They've had a cup of tea, Daddy.
Can you?
Oh yeah. It'd be well nice to have a coffee walking around here, wouldn't it?
Well, they did have one at the entrance.
Did they? I never noticed. Where in the wild are you? Don't know.
Halloween Winter Wonderland.
It does feel very Christmassy, actually. I'm not gonna lie.
Do they do anything here at Christmas?
What do you mean?
Do they do any Christmas events?
Yeah, they do. They do. Yeah,
Probably the same. They just probably leave it the same.
maybe. But they don't give them a lantern.
God, by the time Rachel gets there.
Oh, that cheeky bewilderbat. Snaggleman grew on at great speed and in no time at all was over at the scary lake. Just like in the witch's house, Mildred the Crocodile had left a bowl of treats ready for all the young trick-or-treaters to enjoy.
Noise. Casper gets excited. He wants to go down there and be in the centre of the ring.
Yeah, we've got a little
He's
bit of a problem because we want to watch the show, but the problem is Casper wants to get on the stage and be centre of attention. So we have to keep fighting to get him away from the stage area. It's just not working out. It's not his show tonight, you see.
Alright, I'm going to say 3, 2, 1, and we're all going to say surprise! Ready?
Surprise.
3, 2,
1.
1.
Surprise!
What could it be? Yep, you're right, that's the surprise.
Oh.
It's from my kitchen and it smells a bit like marshmallow. Now, have fun with the rest of your twiggle treating. Yeah. Bye!
You wild explorers.
Walking around the woods without a treat on this special night. No.
Was that meant to happen?
No. So I have my own little witchy treat for you. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Zamzo Zam!
Oh, it's wood.
Oh, what fun. Now off you pop, wild explorers. There's more twig or treating to be done just around that corner. Farewell.
Bye. Say bye, Famps. Say bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Woo, can't wait.
They've got marshmallows as well, haven't they? And cream.
That's what I said. I didn't say anything about putting any cream on, just marshmallows. I was a bit gutted though, because when you go around trick-or-treating at the doors, the little bear that came out the house said they were going to give us marshmallows, but someone had stolen.
Is there marshmallows?
Hold it. Put that in the video. No, you won't. Oh, I feel
It
like
already
I'm,
looks like it's melted.
I feel like I'm breaking the lid trying to get it off. Look, it's bending.
You only did it because it was cheating.
It wasn't. It's the same. But we just thought you probably were going.
Oh, don't worry, we'll have a look through there.
Yeah.
I think it's. I don't think there's any cream.
Try to see if I
either.
get mine off. Hang on. No, I can't. There we go.
I don't think there's any cream on that. It's just marshmallows.
Yeah.
Do a taste test then. How do you know which is which? Do a taste test.
Tastes great. Hello, Holly.
Do you feel like you've got more of a Christmas or Halloween vibe with this?
Hey.
At times Christmas, at times Halloween. It's a bit 50-50.
Halloween. He just went wow.
Wow. I actually could see this from above, from our balcony. I'll show you. This is what I saw. Anyway, we're heading out for dinner, but I think we're going for a couple of drinks first before we have dinner. And I am like dying because Holly gave me these shoes from her new liquor job and said, oh, do you want these? So I haven't worn them. I was like, yeah, they're lush. No wonder she gave me them. Kill, man. I've only come down the lift and I'm like hobbling like this all the way down. And these are not cheap shoes either. Well, I suppose they are. Depends what way you look at them, but they're £30 to buy. But luckily Holly gave me them. But honestly, they are sheer agony. And I have got them on the last, because they're like fasten up ones, like with a buckle. And I've got them on the very last one, and I am still like in agony in them. Like when we sit down to dinner, I'm gonna take them off. Hopefully no one will notice in this grand hotel. Oh my god, this is actually stunning. This scenery is just lush. Oh my god, I love it. Outdoor fireplace, so we're like outdoor in, so I'm loving that. It's raining at the moment, like soft rain, but you wouldn't know. It's just like you're protected from it. I just love it, and it's just so nice. I just love the ambience. Like we're the only ones in here as well. We've got it all to ourselves. It's like we've just had a private marriage. It's really nice. I love it. What do you think of it? What do you think of it?
Yeah, I mean, I didn't expect this in this hotel at all.
No, I didn't.
But yeah, I like it a lot.
Yeah, it's lush. It's kind of got like Christmas vibes,
Yeah.
but it's cozy and it's like
Autumn.
yeah. Autumn, Christmas. It's cozy. It's romantic. It ticks every
Have you ever
box.
seen
I
a
love it.
fireplace outside though? Like I've seen a fire pit, but not a fireplace.
Never. I've never seen a fireplace outside. Not unless it's been inside a building that's been knocked down and you just happen to see a part of it.
In fact, actually, you should be able to see our room up there because we look down into here.
Yeah, you can, because I actually filmed the balcony looking down. So, yeah, you can. I haven't really gone. I wanted to like film myself on the balcony, but there wasn't any lighting, so like I couldn't really do it properly. So that was a bit of a shame. But this is so romantic. I love it. Do you know the only thing that's missing? I was going to say is a candle on the table, but we do have a candle up there. So it's better than no candle, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can't have everything, you know.
And if you were sat like in the middle there, you'd be cold. At least here, these are the best seats in the house
But
next
they've
to the
got these
fireplace.
heaters, haven't they? It's just they're not turned on further down because there's no one
there's
there.
no one there, yeah. Isn't it weird, those rugs we have in our house on the floor?
I know.
In fact, I've got that just by the bathroom near into my office.
You can actually get them in B&M, you know.
I know, they're quite expensive though.
I don't know. Holly got one for a bedroom.
£10.
That's not expensive. That's all right.
You've
It's
got
pretty
one.
standard.
I've got one.
That's standard for
I
a
didn't
rug.
realise that.
Wow. Look at that. That is cool.
Christmas apples started. Right, from Halloween.
I know, it's pretty crazy, isn't it? They do start it way too early.
We say it every year, but they are getting earlier and earlier.
They are. We've been up really early. It's to do with like the clocks changing, our body clocks, or should I say Thumps's body clock is all a little bit out of sync at the moment. So we've been up really early. We've gone and had breakfast. So that's all done and dusted. It was really nice actually. Well, I don't know, like to be fair, I have had better breakfasts, but it was still really nice. But yeah, dinner last night was absolutely amazing. Everything about dinner was just incredible. It's just, I'd highly recommend going if you're in the area. It's amazing. So anyway, yeah, we've had breakfast. Tim is saying, like, we've got a bit of time to kill before we check into the next hotel, and Tim is saying he wants to take me to this mall in London because he said it's like one of the biggest. What's it called?
In Europe.
In Europe? What's it called?
Westfield.
Westfield.
Yeah,
I didn't even know it existed. Maybe I'm just living a very sheltered life, but I honestly didn't know it existed. And he said, I'm going to love it. So we're going to go and check that out before we check into the next hotel. So I'm getting my skates on because if it's anything to do with shopping, I'm there. Let's go. I'm going to take these flowers home with me. They came complimentary with the room. I think it's to do with the package that Tim purchased. So I'm like, why can't I take them? But to be fair, they probably die by the time I get home. Anyway, come on, Thumps, let's go. Are we ready? The bed as well was well comfy last night. Again, you'll probably see more of that on Tim's channel, but it was so comfy. I loved it. Oh, there's a knock on the door. Say hello.
Hello.
Just here to help you with the bags now.
Yes, thank you very much.
Good morning.
Say good morning, Thumps. I've got to go. I'll vlog in a moment. Find a Skechers. We're actually in Westfield right now, and you know what London's like. I bought some boots with me thinking we weren't going to do much walking, and we've ended up doing quite a bit of walking. So I'm like, Tim, we need to find a Skechers. I need some comfort on my feet. So in Westfield they do actually have a Skechers. In fact, they actually have everything. It's pretty impressive. So I'm going to go and buy some. Do you know, I've only ever owned one pair of Skechers, and they're flip-flops or fit-flops or whatever they are, and I haven't actually bought a proper sort of pair that you can fully put your foot in. So this is exciting. I'm going to get Tim's advice on what kind of shoe I should get from Skechers. Right, where are we going? Where is it?
I think it's that way.
Okay.
Thinking, from what I can remember, it's over there.
Ah, okay. Have you bought any Skechers from here?
No, I just bought some.
Let's see yours. Oh, look at them. Haven't you already had them?
Yeah, I'm a bit weird. I kind of like the same kind of shoes.
Tim just buys the same pair over and over. That is
Okay.
impressive.
Look, they have a coffee. Free coffee.
Oh, I like that. I've never ever seen
Does that mean
a coffee station at any store.
Do you remember
You probably
Virgin?
can, but we need a PSL instead, right?
Yeah. Do you remember Virgin? Virgin Banks.
Yeah. Mum was really gutted when the Virgin Bank in Norwich shut because she liked going in there for a free coffee. They do actually have everything under the sun. It's quite mental. They've got these little red cars for kids, so the kids can sit in them and you sort of push them.
Oh my god.
And the kids just have a really good time.
Biggest Greg's ever, look.
Oh my god.
It's not open yet. Typical.
Devastating.
You ever seen a Greg's that big in your life?
Never. And I've never seen a Mackie Donald's like Mackie D's. But yeah, there's these little cars that the kids sit in and you sort of push them. But we were thinking of getting one for Bumps, but we just don't think he would sit in it. Just want to get out because he won't like the feeling of it, not instantly, and we just end up having a bit of a battle with him to try and get him in it for ages. So it's just no point. I don't know. I'm gonna need 2 pairs of Skechers by the time we find it. My feet are killing me. My feet are always killing me. No matter what sort of footwear I have, when I come to London, my feet always hurt. We should take Bumps in there. We'll do that in a little bit, shall we? This is cool. What is that, like a virtual roller coaster? If only every mall had one of these. That'd be so cool. Look, Halloween. I've actually invented a word this Halloween. Halloweeny. It's not a word, but I keep saying it over and over again like I've invented it. So if anyone uses it, just know I invented that word. Oh look, slip-ins.
Norwich store is bigger than this.
I'm surprised. So how much are they? Doesn't say. Because these are not the ones that are on display, so I don't know.
They're normally around about 70 to 80 quid, aren't they?
But they are the best ones, so they're the ones I'm going to buy. You could go for a cheaper pair, but they're not nice. I've gone for these ones. These are so nice on. I can't wait to wear them. I've put my boots in here already. I'm standing at the counter in my socks, literally. You do that too?
Well, yeah, because I wear my shoes out, and so literally I just come in and just throw the old ones in the bin and just put the new ones on.
That's actually quite a tough decision, isn't it? Because you think you found a really nice pair, then you put them on your feet and you're like, no, don't like them. Are they expensive? How much are Thumpsters?
30 quid.
Well, that's not too bad.
How much are those?
His welly boots were actually 20 quid from Clark's, yeah. So it's not too bad at all. But these are really nice, aren't they? I'm glad they've gone for them.
So you don't need to worry about the box, thank you.
Well, we could put his old shoes in the box. Actually, we don't need the box at all, do we? It's just more baggage, isn't it?
Those old shoes are so warm.
Yeah. Look like they are trendy bumps. Look at them.
See, normally you get kids.
Forgive me, I just need to have a moment showing you how snazzy they look on, especially with these trousers. I just love them. Oh my god, a shame about the socks, but they are so lush. I tried on about 5 different pairs, but these were the ones that really suited nicely. They did say, oh, we'll sell you some half-price socks. And I was like, yeah, but you're not going to see my socks, so what's the point? And I've got loads of trainer socks at home. After having a nice shop at Westfield, I was really impressed. All I needed was a little bit more time. You know, something like another.
We were there for ages.
I was going to say something like another couple of days, maybe.
Bloody hell.
Yeah, it was really good. Like I could have gone crazy in there, but obviously.
All those people taking photos.
When you go, I don't know. God, we're nosy. When you go shopping with your man and they don't really like shopping, you can't really drag them around too long, can you? It's just not fair.
Yeah, my feet ache.
My feet ache too, and I don't feel like I've been anywhere. It's weird. Yeah, isn't Claridge's near here? It is, isn't it? I'm feeling Claridge's vibes around here.
I don't. Can't remember.
Yeah, it so is. Definitely is. Yeah, so we've checked out. And now where are we going, Tim?
To Dorchester.
The Dorchester. Exciting times. Looking forward to checking in there.
Bigger hotel than the...
What are you expecting, Tim, from the Dorchester?
Nice big luxury hotel.
It's quite exciting,
Well, we've got a
really.
room that overlooks Hyde Park. Well, that's what I think I booked.
Do you know what I look forward to the most when I come away with Tim to the hotels to do the reviews? I just really look forward to dinner. I just really love the grub. Like, you can't beat it. It's so good.
Yeah, last night was nice.
Yeah, the food was great last night. So I'm really looking forward to the meal tonight. It'd be nice to compare the two and see which one's the best. But last night is going to take some beating. So we'll have to just wait and see, won't we? Yeah, I knew Claridge's was here. It is up here. It's either up here and round the corner or up here on the left. But it is around here, I'm telling you now. And the reason I know this is because I got lost. You were doing a review, I went for a walk, got lost.
Oh my God.
So I had to really find my way back.
Christmas, look at that. It's not even blooming Halloween.
Yeah, London are really like starting like very prematurely on Christmas, but I think they do, don't they, around here, because they've got to start making the money, so they have to start. Yeah, this is definitely where Claridge's is. It's up here on the left, 100%. Am I right? Am I right? I know I'm right. I'm always right.
Up here on the left.
Right, go down here and at the lights we go left and you'll see Claridge's.
Down there?
Yeah. It wasn't Claridge's, it was the Ritz. Maybe I am wrong sometimes.
No comment.
Or is Claridge's up here? don't know, it looks
It's
like
always
it
going to
could
be
be
just
up
round
here.
this corner.
But no, honestly, I knew it was familiar. Yeah, it was the Ritz, not Claridge's. So maybe I am wrong sometimes. It's not often, but maybe there might be the odd tiny occasion. That's lush. That is like the Beverly Hills Wilshire with that like yellow and white.
Well, it's the same company that owns the Beverly Hills Hotel.
Ah, that is posh. You know, sometimes you arrive at these hotels in London and they don't have this, like, you know what I mean, you just pull up at the door, but this is really swanky.
Look at all the cars.
Oh, I like
parked
this. Yeah, I was just saying to Tim actually when we was at the last hotel, some of these Rolls Royces make our Range Rover look like a naff car. That guy having to polish that. Blimey. Hey, that's got a bit rusted over time really, hasn't it? Let's go. Oh, thank you very much. Are you enjoying those crackers, Tim?
They're so moist.
I know, I can't stop eating them, but I'm really worried if I fill up on these crackers and these olives, I'm not going to eat my dinner.
Dinner.
Because I haven't eaten since breakfast this morning.
No, neither have I.
So, I'll lie, I did have the 2 cakes in the room that were left complimentary. I did scoff them. What?
Did the lights go dim or was it me?
I didn't notice. We've just come for a little drink before we go for food in this bar. It's called the Vespa Bar. It's so cute. It reminds me of very much like the Savoy, where you go for dinner and drinks there, but it's like it's giving me burlesque vibes. You know the film, I don't know if you've seen it, Christina Aguilera. It is so chic and the lighting is really low and it's dim, it's calm, it's peaceful. It's like a chill out bar. I don't want to show you too much of it because you're going to see a little bit more on Walk With Me Tim's channel, but here's a little teaser. This is the bar.
Oh, you tease you.
And I've
Stop
got,
it.
I've got this sexy man who's accompanying me tonight.
Who?
Oh, he's got at the toilet. Sorry, I made a mistake.
Is it me or do the lights keep going brighter and darker?
I've not
Has it just gone
noticed.
brighter again?
I've not noticed, but you're more observant. You're more observant than I am, so maybe so.
Should we go and get some food?
Yeah, I'm starving. Let's do it. By the way, we have been sat here for about half an hour before I started vlogging, so it's not like we just came in and we're leaving. So this is where we're having food. We were just like admiring the chandelier, and then I was like, oh my god, the ceiling, check that out. That has got to be back in the day. It's got to be that ceiling. Like maybe they've like repainted it, but that looks like something, that looks like some serious history going on up there. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm going to ask the waiter when he comes. He's full of knowledge, so I'm going to ask him. We've already interrogated him about the chandelier. He said this was like, what kind of glass was it? I forgot as well, but you know that kind of glass that you can melt in different ways and stuff like that. Basically it's that, and it's meant to resemble like fire, apparently. But yeah, we did think it was dripping wax and shells. Anyway, cheers sexy pants. To being wined and dined. Who am I to complain?
Is it bad? All I want to do is get a bed.
I'm the same. It's so bad. I just want to get bed.
We've
I
been
just
up
want to
since
get
7
snuggled up
this
in bed
morning
and
with
watch a
Casper.
film.
Well, no, it's because Casper is like, he's not sleeping very well at the minute. And it's like, I think we probably had about 5 hours sleep in total last night. And then we woke up at 7. We went to bed at 1. Was it midnight?
Every time.
We went to bed at midnight. Casper woke up at like 1:30 or 1. And then he woke up again at 2:30. And then he woke up again at 4:30. And then I think it was 6:30. And then he was up at 7.
See, every time I go to bed, no word of a lie, I'll put my head down on the pillow. Casper will have been asleep for like
Yeah, but you
a few
love
hours.
you just don't like going to bed. Because I'm always saying to you, come on, baby, you should get to bed because you'll be up at midnight. You're like, yeah, I'm on my phone.
No, forget that side of things. What I'm saying is every time, it doesn't matter what time I go to bed, as soon as I lay my head on the pillow, 10 minutes afterwards, Casper will wake up. It's like he's got this sixth sense and he knows Mummy wants to drift off and go to sleep and he's not going to have it.
Yeah, you're not allowed to go to sleep.
No.
Money.
He calls me money.
He can
Not
say
mummy.
daddy.
Money.
Yeah, he can say daddy perfectly. Although he said you first before he said me.
Yeah, it's money.
Money.
And he fell over the other day, and it was when we were at Bewilderwood, and he was crying, and I went up to him and went, Casper, I went, what happened? And he went, money.
Bless his little... Yeah, he's doing this thing now where if he falls over, like he fell over today in the room, but he fell over on a little edge going from the outside to the inside.
The step.
Yeah, a very tiny little step, but it must have hurt his
He's
little
getting
leg,
overexcited.
his little knee.
This is the thing with Casper, he gets very excited.
And he was like, really like, because you were like, what happened? And he went, and then he was like,
and then he slapped me around the
slapped you.
face. He went, money, and then, and I was like, just because he'd hurt his leg, he wanted to hurt my face.
He's almost like saying, you mocking me, aren't you?
No, I think that he was slapping me because his leg hurt, so he wanted me to feel some pain.
Yeah.
Bless him. But you shouldn't laugh, but I did laugh. But I should not encourage him to slap me. I guess some people like the view of the hustle and bustle, don't they?
Yeah.
I prefer a sea view.
Well, I was saying that it will be better when the leaves come off the trees because you'll see into Hyde Park a bit more.
Yeah, definitely. No, honest to God, I was just saying to you last night that some people like peace and quiet, but there is something quite comforting about the noise of like busy streets and stuff when you're in your room and you're trying to sleep. It's comforting to know there's life around you. Can't explain it.
Sound-wise, actually, didn't hear anything.
Yeah. Their gardens are nice.
Just did that one little bit.
He's probably going to get back at it today, isn't he?
I don't know if that's...
When we turned up, they were polishing this.
Let's hope she didn't use that.
No.
Maybe it is.
Sure, he's going to get back to it today. Anyway, good morning to you all. Last night was lovely. We had a really lovely meal yet again. In fact, it probably was. I keep saying it every time I go for one of these really nice meals and like in these hotels that Tim's featuring on his channel. I keep saying, oh, that's definitely the best meal that I've had, definitely. And then we go to another hotel and then I'm like, no, that's definitely the best. And yeah, maybe it's just I forget how nice the ones.
I've had in a while.
Yeah, it was absolutely lovely. Great service as well, like I must admit, it was really good.
The fact, because it was so quiet, the chef came out to speak to us and then gave us those chocolates on that beautiful box.
Well, when you're watching this, you probably won't know what we're talking about, but you'll see over on Tim's channel, because obviously I didn't capture any of that, so obviously what we're talking about now you'll have no idea, so you'll have to watch that on Tim's channel. But yeah, we personally met the chef because I was like, right, who is this guy, because his food is insane. And he came out and he did come and say hi, and what a lovely guy. He'd give us these hand painted chocolates, and yeah, you'll see more of that on Tim's channel. But it was a really lovely evening. It was quiet, but I kind of like that because I felt like we had the room all to ourselves, and well, there was another family in there, 2 families actually, but it was nice to feel, I don't know, like we'd got all the assistance. It was really nice. Anyway, what's the plan, Stan?
How was that woman out there all day yesterday and all day today?
No, I think do you think she's part of the florist? Because down here to the right, is someone else's balcony. Down there, right at the bottom, is a florist slash chocolate place. I wonder if she's part of that. But I met her yesterday, the gardener. Seems quite nice. The garden does look really nice. It's very London, if you know what I mean. Which way? Follow Daddy. Go! Oh my god, I love those flowers.
Which lift is it gonna be?
It's always that little small one on the end that we get. Have you noticed? Here we go.
Go on.
Right, slowly, slowly, slowly. That's it. Good boy. Oh, I hate that when the door closes on you. What are you gonna have for breakfast?
Well, I'm not gonna have a fry up,
No, I don't think I want to fry up.
but apparently it's quite expensive here for just a basic breakfast.
Is it? Ouch. And it's not included in the package, is it?
Don't think so.
That's like the Ritz. See you later, Thumps. Someone's keen. So he knows his way around this hotel already. I'm king of the kids. See you later, Thumps. He's gone. Is he going in the wrong direction, Tim? I think he might be. Casper, come here, come here. Oh my God, I just love it in here. I just love, love, love. This is the nicest place I've had breakfast. Honestly, you feel like a little princess sat here. Everything's just pink, pastel colours, royal vibes. Wow. Thank you very much. Yeah, I could literally sit here all day. I'm not joking. This is lush. It's not the word that anyone would use in here probably, but I'm going to say now, this place is lush. Usually I'm not like amazingly blown away. Usually I just sit down for breakfast and go, oh, this is nice. But this is blowing me away. Oh my God, that is amazing. That is amazing. That's amazing.
Casper, your Weetabix is coming.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. I think it's because people keep coming out of that store.
Coffee milk.
Do you like it, Bumps? That's a ghost. That's Halloween. Halloween. Yeah. Happy Halloween.
What if we gave my logo I'd be able to print it? That'd be amazing.
Yeah.
Halloween?
Halloween.
Yeah.
What a nice little touch.
Halloween?
Halloween.
Yeah.
Do you want to drink a bit? Let him drink a bit, darling.
It's hot.
Oh, is it hot?
Halloween.
Oh. Say happy Halloween.
Look.
Halloween.
Wow. He's shy about it.
Drink it. Phone. You put it on your nose. Put it on your nose.
Isn't that really nice though that they did that?
Leading them the way. Isn't it weird when they do the flag thing?
I've never seen it before.
You must have done it. Well, growing up in Cambridge, I used to see it all the time.
Oh, I suppose you would, wouldn't you?
Because it's where the tourists like to stay all. We join the EU. Look. Hey Labour, we need to talk about Brexit.
Hell is going on over there? Is that all about Brexit then?
Yeah. We're going right past Big Ben.
You just gone round in a circle. Ooh. Is that a TikTok video?
Oh, I don't know, a music video or something.
Good morning, everyone. Or should I say afternoon? And happy Halloween. Today is Halloween. Now, I've been holding out for ages on getting Casper a Halloween costume because everything I've seen has not been cute enough. Because the first year he was a pumpkin, the second year he was a skeleton, and I've been like, everywhere else I've been like, there's just nothing cute enough for him. I'm just gonna wait till I find the cutest outfit. And obviously we've just come back from London, and I must have been like in another world or something, because I really did forget how close Halloween was. I kept thinking, oh yeah, we're gonna do pumpkin picking and all that, and totally realised as soon as we got back from London, we've actually got no time at all for pumpkin picking or anything, and I don't actually have a costume for Thump. So we woke up this morning and was really stressing, thinking, what is Casper going to wear for trick-or-treating tonight? Because the plan is we're going to do some pumpkin carving, because Holly went pumpkin picking the other day and managed to bring back some pumpkins. So we're going to do some pumpkin carving, and then we're going to go trick-or-treating with the rest of the family, like my sister and her little one. Well, obviously my sister's not going to be trick-or-treating. She's going to be the parent, and it's going to be my niece that's going to be trick-or-treating. So we're going to go and do that, and then my mum's going to host a little party at her house, so she's going to put some nibbles on and stuff like that. So it's going to be a really nice day. But I was like, oh my God, Casper hasn't got like a costume. So I was like, Tim, urgency, before we do anything today, we need to go and find Casper a costume if there's anything left. And we got lucky. And I actually looked at this costume when I did my Halloween. Do you remember when I did my top 5 places to shop for Halloween stuff? And I come across this costume then, and I didn't like it, and I didn't want him to have it. And I've ended up getting him it because obviously time, and we're cutting it fine. So I will show you what we got him later. So just hang in there and I'll show you what we got him. But we did finally get him something, so at least he's got something, because it would be awful to send him trick-or-treating without a costume, because he's at that age now where he's really into Halloween. He really is, and I just don't want him to be around other children that are dressed up and he's not, because these are when the memories actually start. So he'll know like he wasn't anything. And I did actually think to myself, what if we've got some old sheets from the old cottage, like from the old bedding, and maybe we can, you know, be really like traditional and old-fashioned and just like cut a hole in the sheet and put it over his head and he could be a ghost. And then I thought, come on Gab, don't be a cheapskate, it's 2024, that's real cheap, that is. But to be honest, I thought if we don't find one, that's what we're gonna have to resort to. I did say, you know, we've got out of the house, we've got to have a pumpkin spice latte. So we went to the industrial estate to get Starbucks there, where we usually get our pumpkin spice lattes, and they're out of pumpkin spice lattes. And I'm just, no, it's Halloween. Like, I understand you've got to use the syrup up in time and that, but if you can't produce a pumpkin spice latte in a place like Starbucks on Halloween, that's bad, man. That's really bad. I get why they're doing it, because they're like, there's no point in ordering extra syrup, it's not going to get used, blah blah blah. But you have got the rest of autumn in theory, so you've got an extra month on it to use your syrup up. Big epic fail, very bad of Starbucks. You must have a pumpkin spice latte on Halloween. Anyway, they don't. So Tim's like, there's no way on Halloween you're not going to have your pumpkin spice latte. So we've pulled up in like a 5-minute parking bay, and he's ran into the town centre to go and get me a pumpkin spice latte. That's love for you, isn't it? I think he wants one too, though. Like, he's saying, I'll do this for you. I'll do this for you. And I'm thinking, yeah, just because you want one too. But if it is because of me, then it is pure love. So I'm just waiting for him now to come back with it. And then we're going to get on with the rest of the day. But just hang in there. And then when Casper's dressed up, all will be revealed what he's going to be this evening. So hang in there.
From that guy for Halloween, it's so funny to watch it.
From what guy? Oh, right, that thing on Instagram. He didn't fail. He did not fail.
And I had to go right out my way to get you that because I knew it'd make you happy.
And yourself.
Well, of course I had to get myself one, but it was mostly for you.
Well, I don't care as long as I got one. Thank you so much, Sexy Pants. And thank you, Starbucks, for actually buying in the syrup for Halloween. I mean, Starbucks in the town, not Starbucks on the industrial estate. How very disappointing, Tim, for Halloween.
I know. Bad management, man.
But I got it. That's the main thing. Holly made that one.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 pumpkins.
1, 2, 3,
4 pumpkins.
4.
He's happy. That's right. Look, where's his eyes?
Yeah.
Where's his nose? And where's his mouth? That's right. Well done. And is he happy? Yeah, I don't know what it is, but I do love pumpkins and that, but I cannot be bothered to carve them. I really can't. Ooh.
A pug.
Pumpkin. Can you say pumpkin? You look beautiful. Here he is.
Yeah.
Oh, look at what you got for your trick-or-treating. Wow. That is amazing, Fumbies. What did you get? Did you get some lollies? Wow, lollies. There's some more lollies here. Look, you've got lots of things. Oh, wow. I don't know why, but you picked up a lot of lollies. When people said help yourself, you tend to go for the lollies, didn't you? I mean, it's quite a sad situation, actually, because he can't actually eat these chocolates yet. So that's a shame, but I'm sure Holly will have them. You did really well as Frankenstein. I think everybody loved you. That one outfit that was left in Home Bargains was sat there waiting for you. And you looked adorable. Did you enjoy your trick-or-treating? How many have you got?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy Halloween! So it has been a mad couple of days in our household. But Then again, when is it not a mad couple of days in our household? Hopefully you've all enjoyed this vlog. If you have enjoyed it, then please hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Oh, and if you were wondering what Casper went as for Halloween, it was Frankenstein. I'll catch you soon. Bye.